out here be doing too much, like 800 pounds. I'm like, where do I get that money? Do I look like Rihanna? Even if I was Rihanna, if I was Beyonce, I would still be mindful of how I spend my money. I beg, what kind of wallet is this? Assalamu alaikum besties, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen. Welcome. And if you're all by a goodie, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate you guys so much. Can we talk about this makeup? It is giving I am that girl, soft glam, and I smell so good. The scent of the day today is Chanel Mademoiselle. Oh my god, I love this fragrance so much. It's so girly, so boss babe, like, do you understand? Yeah, it's giving grown woman, it's giving money. I don't want to take much of your time, so we're gonna get right into it. I know you click on this video because you want to know how you can become a lash tech, and I feel like there's not a lot of UK lash tech YouTubers, like at least the one, they don't do videos. I don't know, I only seen one girl, two girls actually, and if I remember them, I will link the channel on the description, because the other girl really helped me. I watched her video and I actually went through the same training that she went to. I feel like it's the same place, I don't know. It's called Lash Beauty, where I did my course. I'm gonna tell you guys all about it. I don't want to gatekeep, so if you want to see more about my lash journey, how I'm doing and all that stuff, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and stick here, because I'm not gonna gatekeep. I'm gonna tell you guys everything, and I ordered some stuff on Amazon so I can be practicing to perfect my craft, so that way I can start offering service to other people and start charging, because I just don't want to just jump in like that. And obviously if my friends have time, I would love to do that. I would love to do the lashes and stuff like that. So yeah, so where I did my course, the place I did it, it's called Lash Beauty, and I'm gonna tell you guys everything you need in terms of course, the fee and stuff like that. Okay, so for that I'm gonna have my phone in hand, so if I look down, I'm not being rude. I just want to give you guys all the information that you're going to need in order to do this course, and how much it's going to cost for you to do it. Any questions you have, any questions at all, leave in a comment section. I will make video responding to your questions and stuff like that, so make sure, don't be shy. Anything you want to know about the lash stuff, let me know in the comment section. So let's start. I did my course last month, March 30, is it 30th, something like that. Anyways, the course was 349, and that is including the beginner kit, which I will show you guys at the end of the video. So that was 349. I just want to tell you guys about the price first, and then I'll discuss the company and so on and so forth. I did not plan this, I just want to talk to you guys. Like, grab your tea, grab your coffee, okay? Let's chill, let's vibe. So the course was 349 pounds, yeah, that's including the beginner kit. Okay, so when they send you to that guild something, I forgot the name, but I'm gonna leave it here on the screen. Yeah, so you will pay 25 pounds to access the course. Yeah, that's 25 pounds. Plus, if you want to print out your, I will give you guys all the tips. They will charge you 15 pounds for it, which I did pay for, but I will give you all the all the tips, okay? Because I don't want you to lose your money. So that was 15 pounds. So that was, so if you put 339 plus 15 plus 25, that was 389 pounds I paid. Why did I feel like I paid more than that? Yeah, 349 plus 15 plus 25. Guys, I never was strong in maths. Like, literally I hated maths so much, and I still do. I don't ask me any questions about maths and stuff like that, because I won't know what to tell you. So anyways, everything was 349 pounds. Okay, so let's talk about the company. I went on Google, I found them, and before that I was looking in different places, and guys, people out here be doing too much. Like, tell me why they was offering, the different companies, they're offering like, because you need to do classic first in order for you to be able to do Russian and hybrid and stuff like that. So they were telling me, oh, you need to pay about 299 pounds, basically 300 pounds to do just classic, and then after I do the classic, when I'm qualified in classic, then I can go ahead and do Russian. That's another money, which is around 400 or something like that, and then I have to do hybrid. Like, I'm like, where do I get that money? I have a place that I was gonna do it for 800 pounds. I'm just like, oh, I ain't going to spend that much money because I don't have it. I am not rich. Do I look like a Beyonce to you? Do I look like Rihanna? Even if I was Rihanna, if I was Beyonce, I would still be mindful of how I spend my money. I beg. What kind of wallet is this? Anyway, so everything was 389. Imagine if I was to pay that 800 pounds. Let's say 800 pounds minus 389. That would, I saved 411 pounds. Oh my god, I did not have that money to go and spend like that. Okay, we have to save money, girls. We have to save money. So when I found this company and I saw that they offer 3-in-1, I was like, done. There was everything included. You do classic, you do Russian, you do hybrid, everything included for 349 pounds. That's including your kit. But if you don't want your kit, then that would be like 325 pounds alone. So I would definitely say go and get the kit. Do the kit one like 349 pounds, so that way you have the kit. You don't have to go and waste money. You can just be practicing at home. Do you understand? But yeah, so the company, they are so, I'm not even, I did pay this with my own money. The lady I did it with, the lady, oh, I'm skipping. Give me a minute. Guys, so first and first, after you purchase the course and stuff like that, they're gonna send you a link, which then you're gonna have to activate that link, and then you're gonna pay 25 pounds. That's what I was talking about. You're gonna pay 25 pounds for, so that way you can access your theory. And you might think, oh my god, theory is so hard. It's girl, it is not hard at all. Yes, it took me all day, almost all day long, but I was determined. That's one thing about me. When I'm determined about something, especially if it's like it's a test and stuff like that, I feel like it's a challenge. Now you're challenging my intelligence. Like, I feel like, ooh. But if it's math, I will literally just log out and just be like, I'm done. Yeah, my brain is not going there. But that was so good. It was, honestly, it wasn't stressful. All you have to do is read. You find the answer in there. Like, seriously, just read, screenshot, and then whatever the question they ask you, go back and read and refresh your memory, and then you will get the answer that you need in there. It wasn't too hard, to be honest with you. I'm not even gonna lie. I started, I think, 9 o'clock in the morning, and by 2 something I was done. And they give you option where you can log out and come back and do it, and I was just like, no, I don't have the brain to keep coming back and I just use the whole day that I have and do it, and that was amazing. And I will definitely tell you to do the same thing. Just do it at once and take it out of, like, seriously, I think I activated the second day or third day. I was on it, done, finished, boom. And then I had like maybe 2 weeks or 1 week left until I do my practical. And oh my god, let's talk about the practical, guys. I feel like I'm talking fast. I don't know why, but I'm excited to start this journey. Anyways, so the practical was amazing, and the person that I did that trained me on the day was amazing. Her name is Laura, and she's super kind and soft, loving, gentle. The best trainer that I can ever ask for. I was nervous, but when I got there, she put me at ease, and she was so helpful. She gave me so much information that I left there feeling good. I don't have any complaints towards her. She's amazing. I am going to leave her Instagram in the description below, and also I'm gonna leave the place where you can book the LASH course on the description below, because they are amazing. Laura was amazing. She helped me so much. She made me understand, and as a bonus, she have the cutest dog ever. I am scared of dog, but that dog was so loving, so kind. It wasn't rude, and the dog was cute. Okay, but it was so cute. I'm actually gonna post a picture of my training and like me holding my certificate and stuff like that, and he was refusing to let me take a picture of my own. He was like, I'm gonna be included in this picture whether you like it or not. So yeah, that's the picture. And can you guys see Patty? He's so cute. Like, He's so cute. But yeah, after you're done, when you're qualified, then you will be able to practice as a lash tech. But I would say definitely once you pass, make sure you order your things so you can start practicing at home first before you start offering it as a service to other people, because I want to make sure that I master my craft so that way I can be able to charge people, feel comfortable to charge people. You get what I mean? So I ordered some stuff on Amazon. They're gonna arrive here on Friday, which I am so excited about. If you guys want a video on it, I can definitely make it and show you guys everything I got and how much everything cost and stuff like that, what you need basically to start practicing at home and things like that. And if I would be making videos about lash tech and everything, I don't want to gatekeep, I don't want to keep anything from you guys. I will make separate video when everything arrives to show you guys everything I got and how much it costs. And obviously once I start offering service, which I need to insure myself, lash insurance, they're not expensive, to be honest with you. I think I saw one that is like £50 for a whole year, and then in Guild, if you insure with them, it's gonna be like £70 a year, around there. So yeah guys, this is the best investment I ever done, and I'm so happy because I love beauty. I love like doing my makeup and just looking cute. I love it, even though I was lost at some point. I did not like it, but when I was growing up, the little makeup my mom had, literally, I love fashion. I would just be coming with some kind of style that adults would be struggling to do, and I just pop up with it. So it only makes sense in my head. I try to say, oh, I'm gonna do nursing course, I'm gonna do this. Listen to what's in your heart. For me, when I was younger, like seriously, when they asked me what do you want to be, I would say I want to be a businesswoman. I don't even know why. I would just say I want to be a businesswoman. I know some kids will be like, I want to be a doctor, I want to be this. I want to be a businesswoman, and it only makes sense because I love beauty stuff. So it makes sense me doing it, me doing the beauty things. And I am so grateful, I am so happy, I am so in love with this new me, that I'm actually putting myself out there and out of my comfort zone, you understand? So doing this will, I'm so excited, I cannot wait, because I love to listen to people, I love giving people advice, and I feel like this is just perfect because I was gonna do counseling, so that way I can start counseling people and stuff like that, or like being a therapist and thing. But I feel like this is just like 2-in-1, because I will be able to do people's lashes and be there to listen to them and talk to them and just help someone in a way that I know I truly do want, because that's just me. Anyways, I don't want to go further. Let me grab the starter kit so I can show you guys everything I got. I am so excited, guys. Wait. Guys, besties, this is it. Let me bring it closer because I feel like it's not focusing. Guys, can you see that? It's so cute. Lashes, that's what it's called. Lashes. I'm gonna leave the link. If you guys want to book, you can just go straight. I am not getting paid, literally. I just want to put you guys on because I know how frustrating it was for me to see the prices that don't even make sense. So yeah, I'll show you guys everything that I have on this starter kit. I have individual lashes. This is 14 mil. Okay, they go from 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 mil. You get. Anyways, so this would be so good for me to like start practicing. I am happy that it's like different length. You got the lash glue in it. You will get lash glue, spoolies, like, so that way you can brush the lashes. You get. And obviously I have this is where you create Russian and hybrid, and I'm so excited to use this, guys. And then you have this because you have to have a client card. It's just for safety reasons. You have to have a client card. This can be somebody's record and stuff like that. This is for like, I will ask questions. Well, the client will have to sign this before I start doing their lashes and stuff like that and all that stuff. So yeah, this is a client record card, and you have to keep this for years just to make sure that you are Gucci, you are safe. And also I have to have oh yeah, it's here. I was gonna say aftercare card, which I got 3 of them. And basically this is just what I will give my client. Obviously I have to create my own, which I need to do research on, because I don't mind creating this myself. I love creating stuff, and plus Canva makes it easy. Anyways, so this one is just aftercare, so I can just give my clients so they know how to treat their lashes so you don't fall out easily. And this one I think is for, I don't know, to be honest with you, I'm not sure about this one here. I don't know what it is for, but I will ask question because I don't know. This is for like I think to be able to wipe your tweezers, and also we have tape to tape your under lash to make sure that it's not peeking through and just getting sticking with the top one. Anyways, this is a tweezer and everything that you need to do the isolation, and then plugging it, whatever. Plugging, is that even a thing? I got some glue. Basically you put in your hand, you put the glue, but I just feel like this is useless, honestly. But for beginner it's not bad, but I would definitely use something else, which that's why I said I'm gonna make a video showing you guys everything I got, so that way you guys get the tea. You get. Anyways, you have the eye patch, the one that you stick under the eye before you use the tape. Yeah, that was everything I got on my starter kit. I am so looking forward to filming the next video Friday. As soon as I get it, I'll film video and show you guys everything I have, so that way I can start making videos on me practicing and stuff like that, so I can bring you guys along this journey and show you guys everything that you need as a beginner, just to practice your craft before you start offering service, because you need to make sure that you master it a little bit before you start charging people and all that stuff. And once I start charging people, I will tell you guys how it's going, how I'm doing it, how much I'm charging people, everything that you need to know, so I can make your journey easy. As for me, it's not easy because I'm still like figuring things out. And the thing is, I'm gonna say I am so grateful for Laura, because she has been so helpful and I love her for that. And yeah, so that is it for this video. Basically I feel like that's everything I remember. If you have any question at all, make sure you leave in a comment section, and make sure you do subscribe, stay tuned, turn the post notification on, so that way you don't miss any video of mine. And yeah, I am so excited for us to go on this journey together. If you recently qualified as a lash tech, congratulations. I am so proud of you. I am so happy for you. I wish you nothing but the best. If you have any questions, again, please leave them in a comment section. But yeah, as for me, that will be it. I will definitely see you guys on the next video, which I am so excited. I cannot wait. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I love you all so much. Bye.